Hey, what is up everyone? Josh Quinones here, and today we are at the Nuu Mobile booth getting our first look and hands-on with the Nuu Mobile G4. Now, just like last year's G3, it's got a nice, beautiful shine to it, giving it that nice premium look. But as you can see, there are a couple of changes in design. The dual camera setup with 16 and 8 megapixel cameras has more of a pill shape to it now rather than a rectangular shape. And the same goes for the fingerprint reader as well. The flash is also on the left side now instead of the right. Now, one big change that you can't see in the back of the phone is wireless charging. Yes, the Nuu G4 now has wireless charging, which is great for a lot of people that prefer charging wirelessly rather than with a wired connection. Now, I do gotta mention that this is a developer unit, so they are still tweaking it here and there to get it ready for release, which I was told would be around March, so that is not too far from now. And it's still going to have that low budget friendly price from $250 to $300. Now, going to the front of the phone, we have a 1080p display this time, coming from the 720p one we had on the G3, which is actually a nice upgrade. Now, yes, I know there is a notch. You all already know how I feel about notches, but I'm sure there will be a way to hide the notch if you do not want it there. But other than that, the display actually looks pretty good and the colors pop pretty nice. Now, specs for this phone include 6 GB of RAM, 64 GB of internal storage with a micro SD card slot for expandable memory. It's going to come with Android Pie out of the box. It has dual 4G LTE SIM slots, face unlock, and a respectable 3700 mAh battery. It's also going to be available in other colors as well, like this matte white color we see here, and a nice gradient color that unfortunately was not on display. And it will also come in some other beautiful colors we see on the G3. So for a budget-friendly price range with specs and how beautiful the phone looks, I think it's actually a great deal. And I think it's great for anyone that doesn't want to spend close to $1,000 or even $500 on a device. But of course, we are going to have to wait until release day to see if this phone is actually worth the buy. But for now, this was just a quick first look and hands-on with this device. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments sections below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any future videos to come. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is Josh Quinones, and I will see you on the next one. Peace out.